Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nandila. I am from MNA1. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang reading, yaitu skill 1. Langsung saja, passage 1, question 1-2. Kita baca dulu teksnya. Fort Knox, Kentucky is the site of a USA Army force, but it is even more renowned for the Fort Knox Bullion Depository, the massive vault that contains the bulk of the USA government's gold steel deposit, completed in 1936. The vault is housed in a 2-story building constructed of granite, steel, and concrete. The vault itself is made of steel and concrete and has a door that weighs more than 20 tons. Naturally, the most up-to-date security devices available are in place out of Knox, and the Army Force Nearby provides further protection. Langsung saja ke pertanyaannya, yaitu which of the following best describes the topic of the passage. Jadi yang nomor 1 itu pertanyaannya yaitu tentang mana yang paling tepat menggambarkan topik pada teks. Yaitu dijelaskan pada paragraf 1, yaitu Fort Knox, Kentucky is the site of a US Army force, but it is even more renowned for the Fort Knox Bullion Depository, the massive vault that contains the bulk of the US government gold deposit. Yaitu jawabannya B, the Federal Gold Depository, yaitu pada Government Gold Deposit. Number 2, which of the following would be the best title for this passage? Yaitu mana judul terbaik untuk teks ini? A, the massive concrete vault. B, Fort Knox security. C, where the US keep its gold. D, a visit to Kentucky. Yaitu where the US keep its gold. Next. Passage 2, question 3-4. One identifying characteristic of mineral is their relative hardness, which can be determined by scratching one mineral with another. In this type of test, a harder mineral can scratch a softer one, but a softer mineral is unable to scratch the harder one. The more hardness scale is assigned to rank mineral according to hardness. 10 minerals are listed in this scale, ranging from talc with a hardness of 1 to diamond with a hardness of 10. On this scale, quartz number 7 is harder than feldspar number 6 and is therefore able to scratch it. However, feldspar is unable to make a mark on quartz. Langsung pertanyaannya itu, which of the following best status of the subject of this passage? Yaitu A, yaitu the hardness of diamond, yaitu pada paragraf yang pertama dan kedua dijelaskan. Nomor 4, the main idea of this passage is that, yaitu manakah the main idea teks ini? Yaitu A, the hardness of a mineral can be determined by its ability to make a mark on other mineral. Di sini juga dijelaskan pada paragraf 1, 2, dan seterusnya. Langsung ke passage 3, question 5-6. Kita langsung ke pertanyaannya, yaitu the passage mainly discusses, yaitu bagian utama pada teks, yaitu C, the weather in the North Atlantic, yaitu karena di dalam teks ini menjelaskan cuaca yang ada di Atlantik Utara. Ke pertanyaan nomor 6-nya, yaitu the best title for this passage would be, yaitu B, Storm of the Northern Atlantic, yaitu badai Atlantik yang ada di utara, karena teks ini merupakan menjelaskan tentang cuaca atau badai yang ada di Atlantik Utara. Selanjutnya, passage 4, question 7-9. Langsung ke pertanyaannya, yaitu nomor 7, which of the following best describes the main idea of the passage, yaitu apa yang menggambarkan bagian utama pada teks di atas, yaitu C, the popularity of Longfellow poems results from his stress on the values of the people. Karena di sini popularitas Longfellow ini dikatakan bahwa dia mengambil tekanan pada nilai-nilai pada orang lain. Nomor 8, the best title of the passage is, yaitu judul terbaiknya yaitu A, Longfellow Popular Novel. Karena di teks ini kita diidekan dan ditujukan kepada penulis Longfellow yang populer. Nomor 9, the subject of the fourth paragraph is, paragraf 4, subjeknya itu apa pada paragraf 4 itu, yaitu B, the love triangle involve feeling Miles. Nah, ini dikatakan pada paragraf 4 ada cinta segitiga yang membawa Miles. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.